Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to remote play on Steam. So if you also want to remote play on Steam, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Steam. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now at top, you'll be able to see several options: Steam, View, Friends, Games and Help. What you have to do is click on the first option, that is Steam. Now here you'll be able to see several options. What you have to do is click on the second last option, that is Settings. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. If you look at left, you can see several options over here. Find the option for remote play, click on it. Now remote play will be opened. You can see over here remote play is enabled. If it is not enabled, what you have to do is toggle this button right over here and remote play will be enabled. I also recommend you to toggle this button right next to enable advanced host options. Now from here you'll be able to see several options. Now you can adjust these options according to your choice. Now you'll be able to use the remote play. So if you're trying to remote play from another computer, what you have to do is log into this same Steam account and from there you'll be able to enable the remote play. If you're trying to remote play from the phone, what you have to do is download the application Steam link and there you'll be able to see the authorization code. What you have to do is click on this pair Steam link option that you can see right over here. Now enter that code right over here. And then you'll be able to pair the mobile and this computer. So that is how you use remote play on Steam. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.